opportunity to be part of this one-in-a-lifetime special occasion on 18th birthday, our pamangkin, Edwin Latena sa Langsahan, na nagmana sa kanyang kagandahan ng kanyang Manny Michelle at lalo na sa aming Mamita Lita. And it's privileged and grateful for us to be one of your well-wishers. Alam mo ba, parang kailan lang kita nagkikipag-party every Christmas diyan sa Lidogato Compound, diyan sa Banto. At ikaw, isa sa mga paborito kong batang sumasayaw noon kasi ang cute mong tingnan. Siguro dahil nagmana ka sa iyong mami na magaling din sumaya ng kapanawan niya. Now, we officially call you Miss April Atena sa Taksaka. Happy 18th birthday to you. Antayin na sa namin para sa iyong arawan ay maging masaya ka, maging matagumpay, malusog sa alas ng iyong karir na kakahakin. At patuloy kang pagpalay at bigyan pa ng maraming malusog pang-arawan ng ating mahal na Panginoon. I wish na dyan kami naging-pag-party sa iyong 18th birthday. Again, Miss April Atena sa Baksahan, happy 18th birthday. Enjoy your wonderful birthday party and God bless you more. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Birthday ulit. Hi, Sheila. And sana all your dreams, all your wishes come true. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Athena. Paolo Jonas here. First of all, I want to greet you a very, very happy birthday. And on this very special milestone of yours, know this, you are set to accomplish so many great things in the future. You're surrounded by people who love you, who care for you, and who will support you all the way. I really wish I could be there to greet you personally, and I hope to see you soon one day. Happy birthday again. God bless.